Well, we went into our camera cache. I keep all of my camera equipment underneath the seat right there, at least 90% of it. And here's what we got. We've got all kinds of mounts here and everything. These are the stickums that you can, you know, you can stick this right here and mount a camera there. I don't really care to have to do that. I've got those partially used at home. I wish I brought them with me. But here's the good one from GoPro. We're gonna stick this little beast in right here. And this is a solid, it doesn't move at all, and there's a locking rubber grommet right there also. So we're gonna be installing this here just shortly, and it'll make that camera so that it doesn't move. You know what I'm saying? It moves too much because I've got that aftermarket mount on there. So we're gonna get this installed, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like when it's done.